Have you ever wondered how it all began? How the cosmos in all its infinite splendor came to be? The story of the universe is a grand saga, one that begins with a singular event known as the Big Bang. Around 13.8 billion years ago, a point of infinite density, known as a singularity, exploded. This wasn't an explosion in the traditional sense, rather, it was an expansion. This event marked the dawn of the universe, a violent birth that set the stage for everything that was to come. In the first few moments after the Big Bang, the universe expanded rapidly. This period, known as cosmic inflation, saw the universe grow from a size smaller than an atom to something astronomical. As it expanded, the universe cooled, allowing subatomic particles to form. For hundreds of thousands of years, the universe was a hot, dense sea of protons, neutrons, and electrons. But as it continued to cool, these particles began to combine, forming the first atoms of hydrogen and helium. This process, known as nucleosynthesis, gave birth to the first elements in the universe. As the universe continued to evolve, these atoms of hydrogen and helium began to clump together under the influence of gravity. Over millions of years, these clumps grew larger and larger, eventually forming the first stars and galaxies. Fast forward to about 4.6 billion years ago, our own solar system was born. A cloud of gas and dust in a quiet corner of the Milky Way galaxy collapsed under its own gravity, giving birth to our sun and its planets. Life on Earth, the only place we know of in the universe where life exists, began to emerge around 3.5 billion years ago. From the simplest single-celled organisms, life evolved into the dizzying array of species we see today, including us, human beings. We've come a long way since the dawn of the universe. From the first atoms of hydrogen and helium to the complex, intelligent life forms we are today, the story of the universe is a story of evolution, of change, and of the incredible power of nature. So, to recap, the universe began with the Big Bang, a moment of infinite density that exploded and expanded to form everything we see today. This was followed by a period of rapid expansion known as cosmic inflation, after which the universe cooled enough for the first subatomic particles to form. These particles combined to form the first atoms of hydrogen and helium, which eventually clumped together to form the first stars and galaxies. Our own solar system was born about 4.6 billion years ago, and life on Earth began to emerge around 3.5 billion years ago. To think that we are all made of stardust, remnants of the first stars, is a truly humbling thought. We are not only in the universe, but we are also of the universe. And as we gaze up at the night sky, we are not just looking at the stars. We are looking at our past, our present, and perhaps our future.